Here's a list of parts for the CP Bourg Booklet maker. Two of these actuator motors. It's a kit with some bushings of some sort. Little motor. Bunch of belts. This is a big bag of parts. I didn't want to open it up, but there's probably 40 bags of parts in here. These, I took one out so you could see what this is, but here's numbers on these rollers. There's 4 of them total. Part. And then there's 3 or 4 different types of these holders. I have them in groups. There's like 3 or 4 of those. And then here's a document kit.